Good morning. Today I will discuss about the electronic configuration. How we will find out the electronic configuration of an element within 30 to 50 seconds. So first of all, we have to know about the inert gas: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radium. So in this case, we have to know the atomic number. According to their magic number, also we can put here. So helium 2, neon 10, argon 18. Krypton 36 and xenon 54, radon 86. First we have to know the atomic number. Second thing, we have to know the group. This helium from group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can calculate the electronic configuration very easily, up to 100 or more than 100. So in 30 to 50 seconds, how we will calculate? So first trick is that, suppose I will take one example of 65, suppose. So in this case, what we will do, we will see the 65 number which cross the inert gas element. This one is xenon, so it will cross this 54. So I can write here inert gas xenon for 54. Next what I will do, next I have to see this group. So this one is 5, number 5. So in this case, what we will do, we have to find out the s orbital of which orbital that should be more than 5, means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So we will get 6s first. Next p orbital, we will get 5 plus 1, this one is 6p, and this group number will represent the d orbital, so we will get 5p. And if we subtract 1 from this group, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, then we will get the f. So 4f will exist, 5d will exist, 6p will exist, and 6s will exist. So next point is that we will go to the periodic table. So in this case, we have to see first s, then this one is f, then this one is d, then this one is p. So in this case, we have to fill up the electrons according to this. Means first s, then f, then d, then p. So now come to this point. If I have 65 electron, then xenon will take 54. Then s means I will fill up in 6s. So this must be 6s 2. So next f. So I will fill up this 4f. So I can write here 4f. So now 56 electron. So this 4f f subcell capacity is 40. So 56. And this one is 9. So in this method we can find out the electronic configuration very easily. So again I will take one example. If the atomic number is 82, so what I will do in this case? 82 cross over this xenon. So this one is 54. So I can write here xenon. And also same, this one is from 5, group number 5. So it will come 6s. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6s. So this one is 6s. The number of electron 6s2. And next one is 4f. So in 4f, I will give the capacity maximum electron 40. Now total electron is 54, 56, and this one is 70. So I have now 12 electrons. So I will go to this 5d. Okay. So this 5d capacity of electron is 10. Okay. So now I have 2 electrons. So in this case, we will get 6p2. So first 6s, then sf 4f, then d 5d, then p 6p. So this is the electronic configuration of 82. We can find out very easily. So next one is that some exceptional cases are there in this case. So if atomic number 24, 29, you know of this 24, if we take the chromium, then we will get this one is argon 18 and 3d 5 4s1. In this case, in our formula, if we will calculate, this one is 4s2 and 3d4. But due to half fill orbital, this 3d5 4s1 is correct. So in this method, I will take another example. That one is 79 atomic number. If I will take 79 atomic number, in this case, what I will do? If we see, this one is xenon, cross over this 54 atomic number, and next one I will go to 6s. So 6s, 2 suppose this one. Next one is 4f14 and next one is 5d 9. So now you see 14, 9, 23, 25 and this one is 54, 56 and this one is 70, this one is 79. In this case, one nice thing is that we will excite the electron because this 5d9 fill up lastly. So that's why we have to excite the electron from 6s to 5d. So we can write this right configuration is 6s1 and this one is 5d10. So in this some atomic number we have to concentrate something. So next one, if we see another one, this atomic number is 101. Suppose I will take this 101. This configuration is suppose I will take 101. In this case, this will cross over the radon. So we will write down Rn 86. And next what we will fill up in this case? 6 plus 1 we will get the 7s. 6 plus 1 we will get the 70. And this 6 will represent the D. And 6 minus 1 we will get the 5f. So in this case, how we will fill up? 86. Next this will come 7s. So 7s. Next we will get 5f. Next one is 5f. Suppose in this case what will happen? This one is 86. It will take 2 electrons. And this 5f will take 13 electrons. Suppose in this case we will get this one. But in this case, this electron will not excite to this one, because if we will excite this one, we will get a stable fulfilled orbital in 5f. But it doesn't happen because this 7 principal quantum number and 5 quantum number, this one is problem now. This from one serial number to this 5 to 6, yeah, 6 to 5 can excite one electron, but 2 quantum number at a time it can electron excite. So in this case, this one is the right configuration. So some exceptional cases are there in 44 atomic number and 45. So please concentrate that one. Otherwise, in our formula, you will get the electronic configuration very easy. So within 30 to 50 seconds, we will calculate the electronic configuration. Thank you. So next class, I will say about another tricks that will get some hybridization and bond order. About this bond order, try to hit.
So if you like watching our video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.